Okay, class, to really start off our lesson, I want you to turn to page 237 in your student book. Today's lesson is really all about using definitions. So if there are definitions on your slides, please make sure you refer to those definitions before you do your questions, okay, especially if you need them as reference. Okay, so on page 237, you're going to look at this line line plot, which we've done, I believe it was on Tuesday, when we were looking at how many hours each student spent in the pool. So for this slide, you're going to look at this information, and you're not going to solve anything yet. All I want you to do is describe or tell me in words in this text box. You're going to type it out after this question. What would you have to do to figure out how much time all the students spent in the pool together? So this is asking, I just want to know, what do you have to do to solve or to start to solve to figure out how much time all the kids spent in the pool together? I don't want to know the answer. I just want to know how you would solve it, how you would solve the answer. Then on the next slide, slide 8, here is where you're actually now going to do it. So your challenge, yes, everyone has to do this. Try it. Figure out how much time all the students spent in the pool. Take a picture of your selfie to show your work. And friends, I want to see the selfie of the one that you solved. Circle your answer. Then check here, click for your answer. Check to see if you're right. If you are wrong, that's okay. All right, but don't change your answer to match this one. Solve it first, take your selfie, insert it, and then click to see if you're right. Okay, so to recap, slide 7, you're just telling me in words what you would do to solve the answer. Slide 8, you are actually solving for how much time all the kids spent in the pool. Can't wait to see what you got.